Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share a vegetarian recipe with you guys. I will use dumpling wrappers to make pancakes. Try it and you will definitely love it. First, boil some water. When the water boils, put some bok choy into the pot. Cook the bok choy for 1 minute. Use hands to squeeze out the water. Chop it into small pieces. Prepare some mushrooms and chop them. Prepare 1 carrot and chop it too. Now add ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce. Mix well. Now put 1 dumpling wrapper on the board. Brush some cooking oil on it. Put another one on top of it. Now use a rolling pin to make it larger. You can buy this type of dumpling wrapper from a Chinese supermarket. Add 2 spoons of vegetables prepared just now. Fold it like this. Prepare the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Put the pancakes in. Remember to move them a little bit to prevent them from sticking onto the bottom of the pan. After around 1 or 2 minutes, flip them over. Now switch to small fire and cover the pan for 3 to 4 minutes. Remove the cover. Flip them over again. Cook for another short time. Turn off the fire. It is ready. This pancake is super juicy, and these 3 vegetables combining together really taste so well. Give it a try. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and I will see you in the next episode.